This is your bike?
Yeah.
How long you had it?
Since 2012.
2012?
Yeah.
I've never seen a color like that.
Yeah.
Was that a special edition, or do you have it specially painted?
No, that's special. It wasn't a special edition, but they came out with that color. It's 2013. So it was a 2013 color.
Is that a glide? What is that? Is that a glide? A Honda
Harley.
Harley glide?
Yeah,
Ultra glide.
Ultra glide limited. Yeah.
Limited.
Yeah.
2013 or 12?
2013. I bought it in the fall of 2012 when the 13s came out. I got a new engine in 2020 under warranty, so.
Really?
Yeah, I got 70-something thousand miles on it now.
So you've been booking across the country.
Yeah, I do a lot of traveling.
There you go. Well, God bless, and 2 wheels down.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Well, that was interesting. Take a look at this real quick. Ultra Glide Limited 2013. This is the colors what really caught my eye. I'm not too big on Harleys, but well, at least they make good on the warranty for the motor, which is what they should do. Anyway, pretty cool. Never know what you'll see when you're out and about. Headed to the office, get some jobs, get the truck cleaned out from the firebox, and pick up a check. I will talk to y'all later. Blessings.